Haley Cooprider, the Elementary Literacy Coordinator for Wight County Schools, back with another Coop's Quick Clips. Part of the VLA, or the Virginia Literacy Act, requires that every teacher will use evidence-based literacy curriculum, assess student learning using approved literacy screeners, use student-level data to inform instruction and intervention, and participate in pre-service preparation or training on evidence-based literacy instruction. Let's talk about that curriculum piece. A couple years ago, VDOE had teachers review curricula based on a rubric, and they created their approved core list, which is Tier 1 instruction. Our old reading curriculum, American Reading Company, was not on the approved list, so we have a new curriculum for Wight County. It was selected by Wight County teachers, and we had input from all stakeholders. Our new curriculum is called MyView Literacy by Savvis. MyView Literacy meets expectations for high-quality instructional materials, or what we call HQIM, that is aligned to science-based reading research, SBRR, with evidence-based literacy instruction, or EBLI. It will support us in achieving our literacy vision and goals, and it will also support us in teaching the new English standards. MyView Literacy incorporates the 5 major pillars of reading instruction. This includes vocabulary, phonics, phonemic awareness, fluency, and comprehension, with explicit lessons for teachers. For writing, skills like spelling, grammar, and handwriting are also included and explicitly taught. There are 5 units that are 6 weeks long, and the weekly lessons follow a routine. Finally, MyView offers so many fabulous research within the program for teachers and families. Some of the changes you will note with the new reading curriculum is that while reading at home is an independent reading in school is strongly encouraged, it is no longer required, and this includes the logging of books. So your teachers may send home books to read, but it's not required. Another change is the fact that students will no longer have those reading levels, but we'll talk about that in another video. A third change is students are writing a lot more. The curriculum is rigorous, and as your student becomes more and more familiar, they will do well. But there is a learning curve. If you have any questions about the new reading curriculum, please reach out to your reading coach, and as always, I'm available too. Thanks for watching. Keep on reading.